All right, this is DJ again. And have you ever experienced that when you are presenting, somebody is writing colored write-ups in your screen and it gets distracting? Of course, all of your participants are able to see this write-up, this annotation, and you might want to prevent that from happening again. So I'm here to show you how to do that. So you just need to log into your Zoom and then just click your My Account this My Account button, and then you'll be going to your profile and then just click Account Management and then Account Settings. So when you click Account Settings, again, you will have a lot of things that you can do here. And what you can do is, again, you can scroll down. You can even choose about all the other things, all the other features that Zoom has, like the waiting room, the passcode. You can even choose to have a passcode requirement if you want it to be more secure. And then all these things like scheduling a meeting about your videos. Another important thing that you can do is muting your participants. I made a video for that as well. There's a lot of things here. Sometimes you may get confused because there's a lot of new things here. And all you need to do is just need to scroll down up until almost the end, because here you can activate or deactivate other things. And then you will see here, up until about in the middle, is the annotation. So it's on, it's turned on by default. So you can turn that off, or you can click this, right? You can click this. Only the user who is sharing can annotate. So if you are the one who is annotating, then you can also choose to click that and then click save. Or if you just want to completely deactivate this, then well and good. Right? So as you can see, your settings have been updated. So if you don't really need to write in your screen, then you can also choose to do that. But if you want a more advanced experience and you have control over it, so you just need to click this. Only the user who is sharing can annotate. So if you're the speaker, nobody can distract you and annotate in your screen, and other people gets distracted by that that annotation. All right, so that's just about it. And if you want to learn new other things, how to make sure that the participants, when they enter, are automatically muted, I have recorded a video for that for you. And if you want to know how to connect your Zoom to Facebook Live, there's also another video for that. And also to how to activate your breakout room, I also have that video, and I will be sharing that with you. You will be seeing links to that video in this screen. So with that, this is DJ Dimaliuat. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.